Hello, my name is Helen Oshislavsky, and thank you for joining me for a HIPAA Minute. Today's question is, after I update my HIPAA Notice of Privacy Practices for the high-tech amendments, do I have to send an updated copy to every patient? No. Healthcare providers are not required to mail or otherwise send an updated copy of their HIPAA NPP to every single patient. If you have heard about such a requirement, this confusion is likely originated from a HIPAA requirement that requires health plans to do that only. So that means that a health plan that is subject to HIPAA is required to mail its high-tech updated HIPAA NPP to all its subscribers. However, that mailing requirement does not apply to healthcare providers. A provider is required to distribute their high-tech updated HIPAA NPP to each patient who comes in for services as of September 23, 2013. A signed copy of an acknowledgement of receipt of the updated NPP must also be obtained when possible. The updated HIPAA NPP should also be posted to the provider's website if one exists, and it should be posted in a prominent location at the provider's primary delivery site. Providers must complete all necessary revisions to their HIPAA NPP to reflect the high-tech changes by no later than September 23, 2013. The required revisions include adding language that notifies patients about their rights to notice in the event of a breach, and to a right of an electronic copy of their medical information, and to request a restriction on their information being sent to their health insurance if the patient pays for an item or service out of pocket and in full. There are other changes that must be made to the HIPAA NPP to fully comply with the high-tech amendments as well. I hope that you found this HIPAA Minute helpful and will join me again soon. Please remember that a HIPAA Minute is not legal advice, and if you have specific questions about HIPAA or other legal issues, you should consult with an attorney who can advise you directly.